It's been quite a while since I installed this GardePro E8 2.0 trail camera, and honestly, I have no idea what's been walking through here. Today, we're finally going to open it up, check the footage, and see what this camera has been recording over the past several weeks. Did it catch a deer, predators, or maybe even a few surprises? Let's find out together. Welcome back to Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If you're new here, we share gardening, cooking, simple living, and homesteading adventures right here in North Florida, about 30 minutes outside of Tallahassee. If you enjoy wildlife, trail cameras, gardening, and country living, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we got a lot more coming. It's been several weeks since we mounted this Guard Pro E8 2.0. Today, we're answering questions like: has the battery held up? Did insects cause false triggers? How many videos and photos were recorded? Was the picture quality worth it? And of course, what wildlife showed up? So here we're looking over my shoulder into the trail cam. I'm opening it up and discussing the battery, whether or not we have any water in the case itself, because it has been raining a lot here, and whether or not we have any bugs such as spider webs or anything like that. And to my surprise, there was none of that. The battery was 100% charged, which lets me know that the solar panel is working as it should. And I had 1,172 items recorded. It was a combination of photos and videos. Sadly, however, the only wildlife that was shown was myself walking in the garden or the family dog running back and forth in the garden. So, what I think I'm going to do, and I did at the end of the video, is point the camera toward the rear of my garden, which is where I would see critters such as squirrels and um, otters. Yes, I do see otters occasionally, and even deer, not so much in the center or up toward the front of the house. Now, I know it's a little difficult to see, but what I'm doing is scrolling through the videos and the pictures in the camera. The overall quality is fantastic. It's easy to see, and I'm happy with how it shows. It has a pretty reliable range of motion. The battery life was nice and long, and the whole thing makes it easy and a joy to review footage. So after letting this camera sit for several weeks, here's what I think. The footage is amazing. It's built solidly. I have no complaints about that. There was no water or bug activity inside the camera itself. The battery is long lasting, and the SD card evidently can hold a lot because it had 1,172 items on it and still had a lot of space left to go. So I would recommend this to anyone that was looking to get a trail cam. And the fact that it came with a solar panel, so you don't have to keep charging batteries is a game changer. Monitoring wildlife, hunting property, farms, or home security. This trail cam is a must, and it's relatively cheap in price, and overall I would recommend it tremendously. If you're interested in purchasing one, I'll leave my information in the description and comment portion of the video. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.